Hi, good morning everybody. This video message I am going to share on the occasion of my friend CP Srivastava of Superannuation, who is going to retire this month from the services of the bank. As a colleague of CP Srivastava, I share a very close bond with him since we have all the entire batch joined together during June 1990, that is 34 years ago. So we are the three people who are myself, CP Srivastava and Anurag Saxena. We are scheduled to retire during this year. So I retired first in February. CP is retiring this month. Anurag Saxena in July. So being a batchmate and having worked together in one zone for a pretty long period, not only share personally a friendship, but the family also we share. Family bonding is also there. So we know each other very closely. Since 1990, we are all, the entire batchmate of nearly 18 people, we are in touch with each other. We are all part of the up and down of our career, and thankful to Union Bank of India for bringing all of us together. So far as CP Srivastava is concerned, when we joined the bank, after few days only at Mumbai, we came to know each other. Then when we learnt that we all are going to be posted in Calcutta zone, then we became very close to each other. And almost every day we used to talk over telephone. Those days, since mobile and WhatsApp, those communication facilities were not there. So telephonically we used to be in touch with each other. Then we are all always share our good things, life, sorrow, regrets, and up and down of the life. We are all together. So I remember when we were traveling to Calcutta, from Bombay to Calcutta by train, both of us we came to know each other. Even my parents also, in between a station, my parents came and they also met CP Srivastava. Then onward, a lot of interactions, friendship. Since then we are close, and will remain as a close friend. CP's mother was also used to be with him, so we used to share a good family bond. Then so far as the official interaction is concerned, CP was part of the law department for a good number of years. Then after becoming elevated to DGM, he joined the audit office and then IR, finance and accounts. So then having posted at Mumbai, we got an opportunity to be close again together. Since then we are good friends. And once I remember when I was posted at Guwahati, CP Srivastava came on a LFC to visit Guwahati, and we had a good family get together also that point of time. And since then we are sharing that same bonding and same relationship. I wish CP Srivastava a healthy and enjoyable post-retirement second innings. So the energy and the motivated person you are, so I am sure you will definitely get an opportunity to serve the society better than now what you are doing. So wish you all the best, CP. Good luck to you and your family members. Thank you. Bye bye.
चंद्र प्रकाश श्रीवास्तव, ये वो शख्सियत है जिससे मैं 25 जून 1990 को पहली बार मिला। हम लोगों ने 18 लॉ ऑफिसर्स ने सेंट्रल ऑफिस में बॉम्बे में ज्वाइन किया और हमारा ग्रुप बहुत ही वाइब्रेंट ग्रुप था एंड इट वाज रियली माय लक दैट मैं और श्रीवास्तव हम लोगों का पोस्टिंग एक साथ कलकत्ता हुआ और कलकत्ता जोनल ऑफिस में हम दोनों लोगों ने 4 साल तक साथ में काम किया। मेरे और श्रीवास्तव के बीच इस तरीके का बॉन्डिंग डेवलप हुआ कि जोन में शायद बहुत ही कम लोगों को पता था कि अनुराग सक्सेना कौन है और सीपी श्रीवास्तव कौन है। लोग कंफ्यूज ही रहते थे। मैं श्रीवास्तव को अक्सर ए श्रीवास्तव करके बोलता था। तो मुझे याद है कि जब वहाँ पे यूनियन का इलेक्शन हुआ कलकत्ता में, तो जब वोटर लिस्ट हम लोगों ने जाके देखी तो वहाँ पे सीपी श्रीवास्तव की जगह ए श्रीवास्तव नाम लिखा हुआ था। तो हम लोगों ने बोला ये ए श्रीवास्तव नहीं है, सीपी श्रीवास्तव है। तो बोले कि नहीं, अनुराग जी तो हमेशा यही बोलते हैं, ए श्रीवास्तव। तो इस तरीके से हम लोग अपना वहाँ पे वक्त हमने गुजारा और अक्सर मुझे याद है कि फ़ोन पे या आके लोग हम लोगों से बात करते थे और ये भूल जाते थे कि श्रीवास्तव कौन है और सीपी श्रीवास्तव कौन है और अनुराग सक्सेना कौन है। और जब डीजीएम भी हमारे कभी कभी बुलाते थे तो लोग गलत बता देते थे। श्रीवास्तव को बुलाया तो मुझे बोल देते थे और कभी मुझे बुलाया तो श्रीवास्तव को बोल देते थे। तो एक घटना मुझे याद है, हमारे जोनल हेड ने एक दिन बोला कि भाई श्रीवास्तव जी को बोलो रुकेंगे। तो वो जो भी ऑफिसर था या स्टाफ था उसने आके देखा, उसने जाके बोल दिया साहब श्रीवास्तव जी तो चले गए। तो अगले दिन डीजीएम ने श्रीवास्तव से पूछा कि भाई क्या हुआ, मैंने बोला था तुमको रुकने को, तुम रुके नहीं। तो बोले कि नहीं गए, मैं तो बैठा हुआ था, आपने बोला था रुकने को, मैं तो रुका ही हुआ था। फिर उसको बुलाया गया ऑफिसर को जो देखने आया था, बोला नहीं सर ये तो बैठे थे लेकिन श्रीवास्तव सब चले गए थे। तो इस तरीके का हम लोगों का काम करने का एक तरीका था कलकत्ता में और हम लोग एक दूसरे का काम भी कर दिया करते थे। मतलब ये बताए बगैर कि श्रीवास्तव नहीं है या सक्सेना नहीं है, हम एक दूसरे का काम करते थे। तो इस तरीके से हम लोगों का बॉन्डिंग शुरू हुआ और ये 34 साल जो हम लोगों ने गुजारे हैं एक साथ, शायद ही कोई 15 दिन ऐसे गए हों जब हम लोगों ने एक दूसरे से बात नहीं करी। और हर दुख में, सुख में या कोई चीज़ ज़रूरत में हम लोग एक दूसरे के साथ रहे हमेशा। आज का दिन रियली मैं मिस कर रहा हूँ। बड़ा उम्मीद थी, कोशिश भी थी कि हम लोग एक साथ रहेंगे, लेकिन जैसा ईश्वर की इच्छा तो हम एक साथ नहीं रह पाए। बट डेफिनेटली हम लोग आगे जीवन में मिलते रहेंगे। और एज हम लोग एडवोकेट्स हैं, तो एडवोकेट हैं इसलिए ये तो हमारा एक नई इनिंग की शुरुआत है जो हम लोग करेंगे। तो अपने बैच में मैं लास्ट हूँ जो सुपर एनुएट करूँगा और बाकी सब हमारे लोग जो या तो बैंक छोड़ के गए या रिटायर हो चुके हैं आज के दिन। तो आई विश सीपी श्रीवास्तव ऑल द बेस्ट। मुझे उम्मीद है कि हम लोग जिस तरीके से 34 साल हमने व्यतीत किए, इसी तरीके से हम आगे आने वाले वक्त भी एक साथ गुजारेंगे और डेफिनेटली लाइफ को और ज़्यादा हम लोग आने वाले वक्त में एंजॉय करेंगे, ऐसा मुझे उम्मीद है। तो आई विश सीपी ऑल द बेस्ट एंड फॉर हिज सेकेंड इनिंग्स एंड वी विल कीप ऑन इन टच लाइक दिस। जैसे हम रहे हैं वैसे ही और भी रहेंगे। ऑल द बेस्ट, थैंक यू।
My name is Masoodul Hassan and I'm family friends of CP Srivastava, who is going to superannuate today. I just remind one of my old memory where when we myself and CP came together for BSRB interview in Tulsiani Chambers, Mumbai, Nariman Point. Once we come to know we got selected, before coming to Mumbai for joining in June 1990, we met there in Lucknow because he is also from Lucknow, I'm also from Lucknow. So we became very close and we came together. After joining at Mumbai in June 1990, CP and myself were thinking where to stay. I told CP that one of my uncle is there in Kolaba, which is not very from Union Bank head office. Let me try and explore how can we stay. So very fortunate enough, that point of time, one of my uncle's friend, he has gone outside India and we got 1 2 BHK flat to stay there for 2.5 months or so when we were put on initial training at Mumbai head office. I remember it's one of the biggest batch of law officers we were told, and it's a very vibrant and very full of passion, and it's a very lively batch. I remember, though I was having very small stint in Mumbai in Union Bank, because after initial training of 2.5 months, I have been allocated regional office in Indore, and Mumbai and CP Srivastava has been was given Kolkata with Anurag Saxena. It's really wonderful to know that CP has got a very long inning of around more than 34 years, and he was at different centers. I, as told earlier, I left Union Bank in January 1993 and I gone to Small Industries Development Bank, that is called SIDBI. Used to be an honor to to suggest CP. One has to call off. This is the cycle, and since he is going to settle in Mumbai, I am really very fortunate and happy to know that, because he is going to stay here. Because why am I saying, I am also staying in Mumbai and have started second inning just to serve society vis-a-vis, to help and to know better word in from the other side. Since I am working presently as a senior partner in one of the law firm at Nariman Point, really it's a wonderful to have both sides to know well. It's a really wonderful opportunity, and city like Mumbai, I can vouch CP, if you are going to start at a second inning, it will be wonderful for you, because you are very passionate and dedicated worker of Union Bank for so long. I wish you all the very best and have a happy journey in future. Thank you. Wish you all the very best.
Hello CP, I hope you are in good health, and this is the last month of your retirement. I still remember the day we have joined, a group of 18 people have joined during June 1990 in our bank, with aspiration to achieve some position in our life. We have joined the bank. You and Mr. Saxena were very friendly and moving around the Bombay, enjoying the Bombay life. And we all have cherished your association during that period. And time has really went by, and we've reached at the crossroads of our life, at the time of retirement. So I welcome to join our club and see the other side of the life without bank. I am sure you will enjoy your life full and without any problem and with good health. I am wishing you very happy retired life and enjoy your rest of life with the sweet memories we have spent together in several meetings in the training center also. Thank you, and I wish good health and best retirement life. Thank you.